Hi, my name is Mukhtar Hussain. Today I will discuss the biology's topic. The name of the topic is blood. Body fluid. Body fluid is divided into two parts. One is known as blood and another is known as lymph. So, as I have already told you that today's our topic is blood. We will see what blood is. It is a fluid connective tissue that transports oxygen and nutrients to the cells and carries carbon dioxide away. And also it carries out the waste products. Blood, it is made up of two components. One is known as plasma and another is known as formed cells. Plasma is the yellowish in color. It is non-living part of the blood. If we will talk about this blood, it contains 55% of the blood and the formed cells contains 45% of the blood. When we talk about this plasma, if we will consider plasma, it is 100%. Out of this 100%, 90% is water and other 8% that contains proteins, minerals, clotting factors, molecules. Proteins which are present in plasma are globulin. It helps in defense mechanism. Another one is fibrinogen. It is also a protein which helps in the clotting. Third protein which is present in the plasma, that is albumin, which helps in maintaining the osmotic pressure. Second, this which is present in the plasma is minerals like sodium, magnesium, calcium, chlorine. Third is clotting factor. What are clotting factors? These two are clotting factors which are present in this plasma: prothrombin and thrombin. Fourth one is molecules like glucose, lipids, amino acids. These are the another elements which are present in the plasma. Okay. Now the second part is the formed cells. We can call it formed cells, formed elements, or formed bodies. Even we can call it formed or body corpuscles. It contains RBCs, WBCs, and platelets. Now we will discuss this part. It is RBCs. RBCs are also known as red blood cells or red blood corpuscles. The scientific name of RBCs is erythrocytes. RBCs are present in large number as compared to other these formed cells. RBCs are transportation of the oxygen. RBCs are non-nucleated cells but amphibians. Example, frog that contains the nucleated RBC. The RBC present in the frog is nucleated. It is biconcave, like this shape. Biconcave. And in frog it is like this, and this is the nucleus. These RBCs are formed in red bone marrow and also matures there. The lifespan of RBCs is 120 days approximately, and after 120 days, when RBCs became dead, what happened to them? They are uh, dead in the organ that is known as the spleen. They are stored there and filtered. It's also known as the graveyard of the RBCs. Completed the RBCs. Now second one is WBCs. It is known as white blood cells. Or corpuscles. It is colorless. The WBCs, it forms our immune system. Our immune system is formed of these WBCs. It helps us in fighting against the infection or any other disease. WBCs are further divided into two parts. One is known as granulated WBCs and another one is known as agranulated WBCs. These granulated WBCs, it contains the granules which releases enzymes. Second one is agranulated, where granules are not present. This granulated WBCs, it is further divided into three former cells known as neutrophils, eosinophils and basophils. While as agranulated, the cells where the granules are not present are further divided into two, that is known as monocytes and the lymphocytes. Monocytes and the neutrophils are known as phagocytes because they engulf any bacterial cell or damaged cell and digest them. This is all about this WBCs. Now the last part of this blood, it is known as the platelets. The scientific name of this platelet is thrombocytes. Its formation is in bone marrow and its death is in blood. Lifespan is 3 to 5 days. It helps in clotting. That means the lack of platelet count. The disease which occurs is known as dengue, and a low platelet count is known as thrombocytopenia. This is all about the blood, and I will soon bring one more new video for you. Till that, bye bye.